Huawei is bringing something very different with its latest flagship, and it's not just about cameras or performance this time. The real highlight is something you look at every second while using your phone: the display. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max is getting attention because of its new anti-reflective screen technology. And this isn't just another marketing term. Huawei is making a bold claim here. According to the company, this is the first smartphone display that doesn't even need a tempered glass protector. That's a big statement, especially in a world where almost every user puts a screen protector on their phone the moment they buy it. Scratches, drops, and everyday wear are always a concern. But Huawei is saying that with this new display, you might not need that extra layer at all. The secret behind this is the new Kunlun Glass used on the Pura 90 Pro Max. This is not just regular glass. Huawei has used a new manufacturing process to make it stronger, more durable, and much more resistant to reflections. One of the biggest improvements is in reflectivity. Huawei claims that this new screen reduces reflections by up to 70%. That means when you use your phone under bright sunlight, the screen should remain much clearer and easier to see. Anyone who has struggled to read their screen outdoors knows how useful this can be. But it's not just about visibility. Durability is also getting a major upgrade. The new Kunlun Glass is said to be up to 16 times more resistant to scratches compared to previous solutions. That's a huge jump. Everyday items like keys, coins, or even dust particles can cause small scratches over time. But this new glass is designed to handle those situations much better. Drop resistance is also improved. Huawei says the screen is 25% more resistant to drops compared to older versions. While this doesn't mean the phone is unbreakable, it does mean it has a better chance of surviving accidental falls. Another interesting improvement is related to fingerprints. The screen comes with a special coating that makes it more resistant to smudges and marks. Even more impressive, this coating is designed to last much longer than before. Huawei claims it can extend the lifespan of the anti-fingerprint layer by up to 200%, which could mean years of cleaner screen experience without constant wiping. All of these upgrades come together to create a display that is not just stronger, but also more practical for daily use. Whether you are using your phone outdoors, carrying it in your pocket, or just handling it throughout the day, the screen is designed to handle it all with less worry. Huawei also highlights how this display improves the camera experience. When you're taking photos in bright sunlight, reflections can make it hard to see what you're capturing. With reduced glare, the preview becomes clearer, helping you frame your shots more accurately. Now, the most surprising part is Huawei's claim that users won't need a screen protector anymore. That's a big shift from what we are used to. For years, screen protectors have been almost essential for smartphone users. However, Huawei is still giving users the choice. If someone still prefers extra protection, the company is offering free screen guard application at its service centers. So even though the display is designed to be strong enough on its own, users can still add that extra layer if they feel more comfortable. This approach shows confidence in the new technology. Huawei is not just improving the screen slightly. It is trying to change how people think about smartphone displays altogether. Instead of adding layers on top for protection, the idea is to build the strength directly into the screen itself. If this works as promised, it could reduce the need for accessories and make the overall experience more seamless. In the end, this new anti-reflective Kunlun Glass is not just about durability or looks, it's about making everyday use easier, clearer, and more reliable. And if this technology truly delivers on its promises, it might quietly change one habit that almost every smartphone user has had for years.